A Pakistani court moved Tuesday to ban former military ruler Pervez Musharraf from contesting elections for the rest of his life, a step which his aides immediately vowed to challenge. The retired general has been humiliated since returning last month from self-imposed exile to contest elections and is currently under house arrest. He will spend the May 11th general elections under lock and key after an anti-terrorism court in the garrison city of Rawalpindi put him under house arrest for 14 days over the death of politician Benazir Bhutto in 2007. Just hours later, a court in the northwest city of Peshawar dismissed an appeal against his disqualification from the standing for election in the district of Chitral and banned him for life from running for parliament. The ban extended to the lower and upper houses of the federal parliament and to all provincial assemblies. A court in the eastern city of Lahore is scheduled to rule May 7th on separate appeals against his disqualification for the current election in other seats. He applied to stand in a total of 4 constituencies. If the court upholds the disqualification, then we will go to the Supreme Court, Amjad said. Musharraf had promised to save the country from militancy and economic collapse but was barred from running as a candidate over charges dating back to his 1999 to 2008 rule. He will now spend polling day in his Islamabad villa, which has been designated as a jail, making his changes of even voting remote. The retired general is also under house arrest for sacking judges when he imposed emergency rule in 2007. Musharraf is accused of conspiracy to murder former Prime Minister Bhutto, whose Pakistani People's Party was elected into power in 2008. Nobody has ever seen convicted or jailed for Bhutto's assassination. Musharraf's government blamed the killing on Pakistan Taliban chief Baitullah Mahsood, who denied any involvement and was killed in a US drone attack in 2009. But Bhutto's son, Bilwal Bhutto Zardari, who is PPP chairman, has accused Musharraf of her murder. In 2010, a UN report said Bhutto's death could have been prevented and accused Musharraf's government of failing to give her adequate protection.